10. Yeah, good evening. So the people who are attending, please observe this is nothing but hacker rank link. Lokesh, it is there in the running notes itself at the top. So for the remaining people also, just I am giving a gentle reminder. So LBP link, hacker rank link is available at the top of our document. Okay, in our running notes at the top it is available. Clear, Lokesh? Yeah. So let me start the session, sir. In the last video, we covered up to LBP number 46. So let me continue from 47 onwards. So what is the 47th problem? Sir, something related to oddish and then evenish. So we have to create a function, okay, that determines whether a number is oddish or evenish. A number is oddish if a sum of all its digits is add, okay, and the number is evenish if sum of all its digits is even. So if a number is oddish or evenish, we have to return the messages. So what is the logic for this particular program? Very simple, sir. Initially we have to take sum is equal to 0, then we have to find out sum of all the digits. We know how to calculate. While the value of n is not equal to 0, so I am taking, so digit is equal to n percentage 10, sum is equal to sum plus digit, and n is equal to n by 10. That's all. So finally you need to check, okay, you need to check printf. So I am taking print. So I want to print first based on this condition. What is the condition? If that sum is divisible by 2, so then we have to print the message saying oddish. Okay, else we have to print the message saying else. So we have to print the message saying evenish. Okay, so it is in capital letter, I think so. That's all. This is nothing but logic for this problem. So first we have to take the digits individually, and you have to calculate sum of all these digits. And if that total sum is divisible by 2 or not, we have to verify. If it is divisible by 2, then we have to print the message saying oddish. Otherwise we have to print the message saying evenish. So beyond that nothing is there. Please confirm, is it clear up to this? Yes, I request everyone to respond. Is it clear up to this? Yes, is the logic is clear? Please confirm, friends. Very good. Yeah, sir, is there any disturbance in my voice? Please confirm. What noise you are getting? Is it okay now? Any TV noise or any other? Yeah. Yes, percentage. Yeah, sorry. Yes, percentage means evenish. So else we have to print oddish. Yeah, sir, if anywhere again this disturbance came means with respect to voice, please let me know. Okay, now sir, I want to implement this program in C language. So let me go for C language implementation. Okay, let me go for C language implementation. How to solve this problem in C language? So LBP number 47, right? Let me open that challenge. Yes, 47 is available here. Yes. So 43. What is the sum of its digits, sir? 4 plus 3, which is nothing but 7. Is it 7 is divisible by 2 or not? No, which is not equal to 0. So hence we are getting oddish. So 373 is also oddish. So 4433. 4 plus 4, 8. So 8 plus 6, 14. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. So we are getting the answer as evenish. So this is nothing but a sample test cases, sir. So I'm taking C program and I am implementing here. Integer, first we have to read a number, digit must be required, and sum is equal to always 0. So then I think so that's all. Even that number we are not using in further applications, that's why no need to store in any temporary variable. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n, I am reading the value of n, while the value of number is not equal to 0. So sum is equal to, or digit is equal to n percentage 10, sum is equal to sum plus d, and n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. That's all. So finally, in a single print statement I am writing. So I will take a condition. What is that condition? If some percentage 2 is equal to 0, sir, then I have to print the message saying evenish. Else I have to print the message saying oddish. That's all. Let me run the code. So you can able to see all three test cases are passed successfully, and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all private test cases also passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can implement in C language. I want to implement in Java. So how to implement this problem in Java? Same code, sir. Same code we have to take. So let me take Java implementation. Okay. So I am taking scanner class first. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. Next, so we have to read an integer. Integer n is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading the value of integer n, and sum is equal to initially digit. So while the value of n is not equal to, sir, we have to take a digit is equal to n percentage 10. Digit is equal to n percentage 10. Then so we have to add that digit to sum. So n is equal to n by 10. That's all. Finally, so system dot out dot println of so take a decision. If it is even number, print evenish, else we have to print oddish. What is the condition? If n percentage 2, sorry, not n, so s percentage 2 is equal to 0 means evenish, otherwise it is oddish. Let me check. Yes, all the three sample test cases are clear. Let me submit the program for final approval. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. So I want to implement the same program in Python. Let me go for Python implementation, and let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. So we will check, is there any shortcut or not. I think so definitely shortcut will be there. Observe carefully. First I am reading input, sir. So for each input I in input, so int of I am taking. So I am framing a list. Okay, I got a list. So sum of all these elements we have to take. Sir, okay, fine. If that sum is divisible by 2, then we have to print the message saying evenish. When, sorry, when, if it is equal to 0, else we have to print the message saying oddish. So this entire thing we have to keep within print statement. So I want to print evenish if sum of all these digits are divisible by 2. Otherwise we have to print the message saying oddish. Okay, so beyond that nothing. And let me run the program. Is it going to work or not? Yes, 3 test cases are there. All these 3 test cases are passed successfully, and let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. So hope this challenge and how you can able to solve this challenge is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, I request every student to please respond. Combination of ternary and list comprehension. Sai, correct. Okay. Yes. Now, so what is the next problem that we have here is LBP number 48. LBP number 48. So observe carefully what is this problem and how we can able to solve this problem. Is there any issue with mic? Background noise are you getting? Problem with mic. Problem. Let me check. Yeah. Sir, please confirm. Is it clear now? Okay, fine. Abhishek, please confirm. Is it clear? Very good. So in while condition, can we also take n greater than 0 instead of n is not equal to 0? Yeah, no problem. You can take, no issues. Fine, sir. Now let me go for LBP number 48. So what is this problem? Accept video length in minutes in the format of so colon ss in string format, and we have to create a function that takes video length and it has to return, okay, in which format, sir? In which output format? Seconds. We have to print the result in the form of seconds. So what is the input here? Video length in minutes colon seconds we have to take. So what is the constraint? There is no constraint, and output is nothing but we have to print length in seconds. We have to print output length in seconds. So of course in Java and Python we can implement easily, but a small postmortem is required in C language. That's why, sir, please concentrate well here. Suppose consider I am giving 1:00. So if it is the given video length, then what is our expected answer? So 1 minute in the sense 60 seconds is the answer, right? 60 seconds is the answer. Yes. Suppose if the video length is so 2 minutes and 05 seconds, then what we have to do? Okay, then what we have to do? Yes, sir. So 2 minutes means 60 plus 60, 120 plus already 5 seconds are there. So total 125 seconds like this. Suppose if you have so 22 colon sir 01 like this, if you have, what we have to do? So 22 in the sense what? I think so 22 into 60. What is the result? Oh, please confirm. Don't tell wrong answer. 1321, correct? Huh? I am weak in mathematics. So, oh yeah, very good, very good. So 1321 plus 1, 1 2, yeah, 1320 plus 1, which will become 1321 like this. So this is nothing but the target. Okay, we need to print only in seconds format. Okay, sir, for this implementation we have to run the code, but please make sure that it is very difficult in C language, but happily we can do in Java and Python, because in Java if you convert 01, if I want to convert 01 into integer, what we have to do? In the integer directly, I think you can take integer dot parsing method. Okay, no, in Java also we have to write like this only, I think so. Yeah, compulsory we have to write manually, because so do you know, in Java, if any number is prefixed with 0, what will happen? So if it is prefixed with 0, then it is octal number. But in Python directly we can take, so int of 01 will convert into 1 only. Okay, now no issues. But only in C language and Java we have to do some kind of extra other activities. So please confirm, is the concept is clear? I will explain the procedure for conversion. Is the concept is clear, sir? Please confirm. Yes, very good. So for this, I am taking integer convert function. I am taking, which will take a character ch as the input, and it will return an integer data. So return. Suppose what is the ASCII value for small a? Please confirm. What is the ASCII value for small a? 97. Very good. What is the ASCII value for capital A? I forgot. Everyone, please respond. 65. Excellent. Sir, what is the ASCII value for 0? 0 ASCII value. Very good. Very good. 48 is the 0 ASCII value. 1 ASCII value is nothing but 49, and so on. Sir, do you know, if we are taking 0, 1, I will read this as a character and then character. Okay, I will accept this as a character and a character. So first character I am giving as an input, so that we will get 1, 0. So 0 is nothing but the character minus, I will take 48. So that what will happen? First character I am talking, sir. So 0 ASCII value is nothing but 48 minus 48, which will return 0. Excellent. So what about the second character? So second character is nothing but 1 minus 48 I am taking. So what is the ASCII value for 1? 49. Minus 48 means we are getting the integer value or not? Yes, that's why, sir, whatever character you have given, minus 48 if you take, whatever integer value is there, that is nothing but integral representation of that character. Please confirm, friends. If this logic is clear, implementing this program will become very easy. Please confirm, is the logic is clear, friends? Very good, sir. Now let me go for C language implementation. I want to solve this problem in C language. Okay, I am going for C language implementation. Let us see how you can able to do in C language. LBP number 48 I am taking. LBP number 48 I am taking. Yes. So what is the first step? We have to read proper inputs from the user. So I will take it as a string character S of maximum 100 characters, integer n1 comma n2. Okay. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand. No, not ampersand. So we have to read in the form of a string only. Okay. Now observe carefully. This string contains total how many values? S of 0, S of 1, S of 2, S of 3, okay, S of 4, like this. So these two represents first two characters. S of 2 represent colon, S of 3 and S of 4 represent the next digit, like this. Now I will verify, boss, if S of 0 is double equal to 0. Okay, S of 0 is double equal to 0. That means no need to consider this. Simply you can ignore and you can take n1 is equal to, please convert only S of 1. Okay. Suppose if S of 0 is not equal to 0, then what we have to do? Sir, please frame n1 is equal to, so convert S of 0 into number into 10. Somewhere we have covered in the reverse program, into 10 plus the same convert operation of S of 1. That's all. so that we will get the number. Suppose if the data is like 10 or 11, so how we are getting 10? So 1 we are converting into integer so that we will get 1. 1 into 10, so plus 0. So how we are getting this 11? So 1 into 10 plus 1, like this. Sir, it is okay, but for first number we have taken like this. But what about the second spell? S of 0, S of 1 is gone, S of 2 is brackets. If S of 3 is like this, then N2 is equal to, you have to convert S of 4. Otherwise, so N2 is equal to convert S of 3, and then you have to convert S of 4, like this. So where is convert function? Integer convert. Just now I told, right, character ch, it is going to return ch minus 48. That's all. Sir, where is the output? We got numbers. Once if you got the numbers, then simple formula you have to take. Sir, please confirm with this by taking n1 and n2. Please construct a formula and post it on chart window so that I will take formula here, because I am weak in mathematics. Yes, please guide me. Rahul, very good, excellent. N1 into 60, because number of minutes into 60 plus N2. Prashant, not N1 plus N2, because N1 is minutes, N2 is seconds. Clear, Prashant? Yes, that's all. Let me run the code, see what will happen. Sir, successfully the code compiled. Even if you submit the code, you are going to get, so all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can implement in C language. Okay, clear? Someone is asking, sir, please give example. See, nothing is there here. Suppose if you are giving 12 colon, okay, 12 colon, so 10. So how to convert this? So 12 in the sense 1 into, okay, 1 into 10. Okay, so it is in the form of numbers, plus 2 we have to take as it is, so that we will get a 12 in the form of number, into 60 we have to take, because n1 into 60. So 12 into 60. So plus what is the value of n2? Again n2 is also in the same style. So 1 into 10, we are going to get a 10, plus 1 we have to take, sorry, plus 0 we have to take, we will get a 10. So 10 we have to add directly. So 12 into 60 plus 10 will give the number of seconds. See here, 12 is nothing but minutes, 10 is nothing but seconds. Seconds as it is you can take, but minutes compulsory you have to convert it into seconds by multiplying with 60. Okay, clear? Ranjish, sir, what happened to my mic? I don't know. Still disturbance is there. Same mic only, but what happened? Okay, so let me take Java implementation. Okay, I want to go for Java implementation for this program. So in Java, no need to define any manual code, because ready-made method support is there. You can use that ready-made method support for conversion process. So let us see how you can able to take that. Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in, then integer, or let me accept in the form of string itself. Okay, so string s is equal to object dot next line. I am reading the string. Now I am verifying integer n1 comma n2. Sir, here we have some special methods are there. Observe carefully. If s dot char at of 0, So the character at 0th location is equal to 0 means what? First bit is nothing but 0. We have to take only second bit. N1 is equal to, so no need to use convert. Directly in the integer class, there is one special method is there with name value of. So s dot char at of 1 minus 48. So what will happen? It will convert that character into which format? Integer format. For that, conversion function is not required. Okay. Similarly, else if it is not the case, n1 is equal to integer dot value of s dot, so char at of 0 minus 48, so into 10 plus again integer dot value of s dot char at of 1. Okay, so minus 48. Like this we have to take. Sir, for first n1 it is okay. What about n2? For n2, character at 0th location, first location, second location, third location is equal to 0 means my n2 is nothing but, so character at fourth location. Else my n2 value is nothing but, so it is a third location, and from here it is nothing but fourth location. So direct formula you can write here. SOP system dot out dot println of n1 into 60 plus n2 you have to take. That's all. Automatically it is going to evaluate and it will print the result. If you want, you can use substring concept also. Okay, if you want, you can use substring concept also for this program. Yes, you can able to see all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how to solve this problem in Java. Now I want to implement the program in Python implementation. I want to solve this problem in Python. Let us see how you can able to solve in Python. Sir, direct implementations are there here in Python. Direct implementation we can go. Observe carefully how I am going to take. L is equal to, in the input I am going to split based on, sir, colon, because the input is given with the help of colon only, right? Now if you convert, if you split, what will happen? That entire string is splitted into two parts. One is nothing but minutes, second one is nothing but seconds. Okay, so now directly we can apply, boss, L of 0 convert it into integer. Okay, into 60 you can take, plus int of, so L of 1 I am taking, into 60 is not required, directly you can convert. That's all. So finally you can print the result. So direct conversion is there. Sir, same step you can use even in Java also. But if any number beginning with 0, it is octal constant in Java. That's why we are getting a small problem. Yes, all the test cases are clear. This is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, I request everyone. Yes. So Basavaraj is asking one question. Sir, explain the Java code. Sir, very simple. Whatever logic we applied in the C language, same logic only I have taken. So I am checking whether first character is 0 or not. If first character is 0 in the minutes, so what we have to do? We have to concentrate only on second part, right? That's why, sir, I am converting that second part into integer format. For that, whatever character available minus 48, value of method will return the data in original format. Okay, it will return the data in original format, that is nothing but integer format. Suppose if the first character is not 0, then what we have to do? Sir, you need to convert. So first digit into integer, into 10 we have to take, plus a second digit into integer, as it is you can add. Like if you have 13, 10 plus 3, because the input is not given in the format of what you can say integers. So they have given in the format of strings. That is the problem which we are getting here. If it is integer, there won't be any issues. Clear, Basavaraj? Yes. So let me go for what difficulty is there, man? You have to understand and you have to solve. That's all. Nothing is there to find difficulty. So next prime, given an integer and we have to create a function that returns next prime number. Okay. Sir, if a number is a prime, return the number itself. So something like a prime number program only. Okay. Something like prime number program only. Already we know. Okay. So how you can able to check prime number? Let me write the logic one more time so that you people will get some idea. Okay. I don't want to go for complete code. I will check is prime function. Is prime function. So initially we have to take factors is equal to 0. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So first we have to check, boss, if your n is divisible by I, then we have to take factors plus plus. So finally, if factors is equal to 2, then it is prime, else not. That's all. Based on this logic only we have to implement, but they are not asking prime number, so we have to return the next prime number. Don't get confused, it is a very simple concept only. Yeah, so 12 is not a prime number. So what is the next number to this 12? 13. Is 13 is a prime number? Yes, we have to print. Sir, 24, is it a prime number? No. Sir, yes. Sorry, no. So 25, is it a prime number? No. 26, is it a prime number? No. 27, no. 28, no. 29, yes. Like this, we have to return next prime number. So first I will write logic for is prime. So is prime of integer n. I am taking integer factors is equal to 0 and I am taking I. So for each I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So if the value of n percentage I is equal to 0 means factors plus plus I am taking. So finally we have to return f is equal to 2. That's all. Now let us see what will happen. So I'm going to take a number from the user, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. So what is the next task? While one means what? In C language, one means true, sir. So while one means what? This loop continuously it is going to execute. Okay, this loop continuously it is going to execute. It won't stop. Okay, it won't stop. Now I'm checking, array, is it a prime number or not? If it is a prime number, then what we have to do? So print that number and then stop the loop. That's all. So automatically it will stop, sir. Okay, automatically it is going to stop when it is a prime number. Otherwise what we have to do? N plus plus, increment the value of n, it will take next value, and anyway it is infinite loop, again it will print, I mean again it will check. Like this every number it is going to verify. Yes, both test cases are passed and submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are successfully satisfied. This is nothing but C language implementation what we have. I need to go for Java implementation for this problem. Let us see how you can able to solve in Java. So first we have to take scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So here don't take one, sir, because it will raise error message, because one boolean data type is not there in Java, sorry, in C language. That's why we depends on zeros and ones, but here we have, right? That's why we have to take while true. So while true, what I am doing? If E is prime of n, So then we have to print. So system dot out dot println of I am printing n, and immediately we have to break the loop. So n plus plus I am taking. It's keep on repeating. But we have to define prime function or not? Yes. So static boolean is prime integer n. So initially factors is equal to 0 and I am taking. Sir, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So here we have to take, if n percentage I is equal to 0, f plus plus I am taking. So finally return the value of f is equal to 2. If a number of factors is equal to 2, then it will become prime number. Otherwise not. Let me run the code. Yes, both the test cases are passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. So this is nothing but how you can able to provide a solution in Java. I want to take in Python. Of course, Python is also almost same logic we have to take. Okay, so how to solve this problem? Let me take Python code. So I'm defining is a prime function. So n I'm taking here. So f is equal to, initially factors is equal to 0 for each I value in the range of 1 comma n plus 1 I'm taking. So that means what? I'm printing the values from 1 to n plus 1. Every time I'm checking, is it divisible by 0? If it is divisible by 0, factors is equal to factors plus 1. Finally, I'm going to return the value of factors is equal to 2, means it will return true. N is equal to int of input we have to take. Anyway, while loop here also same true I am taking. So if is prime of n, if n is a prime number, print the value of n and then stop the loop. Okay, otherwise n is equal to n plus 1 and this process will be repeated. Let me run. Perfect. And submit the code for final approval. That's all. So any doubts in this program, sir? Please confirm. Any doubts in this program, sir? Please confirm. Yes, I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Respond each and every person. N is equal to 13 means 13 itself is a prime, right? So it will return that number. That point is there in the program. You can cross check. If the number is a prime, return the number itself. So let me go for the next problem. What we have here is LBP number 50. So we came to half century, right? So sum of digits between two numbers. So create a function that sums total number of digits between two numbers inclusive. For example, if the two numbers are 19 and 22, 1 plus 9, in the 22 plus 0, in 21 2 plus 1, in 22 2 plus 2. Sum of its digits we have to calculate. Seems to be the logic is very clear. For I is equal to n1, I less than or equal to n2, I plus plus. So what we have to do here? So sum is equal to sum plus. So sum of digits of I, that's all right. For the given number, it will take sum of digits and it will return. That sum we have to calculate. Finally, we have to so print S value. Please confirm if the logic is clear. I will go with the C language implementation. Okay, let me solve this problem in C language, sir. So create a function that sums total number of digits between two numbers inclusive. Okay, now I will take C language code. So integer n1 comma n2 comma I comma sum is equal to initially 0, scanf percentage d ampersand n1 comma ampersand n2. So for I is equal to n1, I less than or equal to n2. Okay, I am taking I plus plus sum is equal to sum plus sum of digits function I am taking. Finally we have to print the value of sum. So where is easy digits function? Integer. So sum of digits integer n I am taking. So integer sum is equal to 0, digit must be required. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, so digit is equal to n percentage 10, sum is equal to sum plus digit, n is equal to n by 10. Finally return the value of sum. That's all. Yes, and submit the code for final approval. So all test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can implement in C language. I want to implement in Java. Let me go for Java implementation and let us see how you can able to solve in Java. So what is the first step? Scanner obj is equal to, so I am taking new scanner of system dot in I am taking. Then integer n1 is equal to obj dot next int, comma n2 is equal to obj dot next int, sum is equal to 0, I variable. For I is equal to n1, I less than or equal to n2, I plus plus. So sum is equal to sum plus sum of digits, okay, of I. Finally, so system dot out dot println of yes. Okay, so where is that function? We have to take a static function, static integer. So sum of digits of integer n. So integer sum is equal to 0, digit must be required. While the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, I am taking digit is equal to n percentage 10, sum is equal to sum plus digit, n is equal to n by 10. Finally return the value of sum. Let me run the code. Oh my god, what happened? Arithmetic exception somewhere. 0 is coming. 1 minute, 1 minute. Line number 10. Sorry, n is equal to d percentage 10. Yeah, perfect. And submit the code. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed or not. Yes. So in Python, I want to solve in a simplified manner. So how you can able to do that? Observe carefully, sir. So I am taking Python code. N1 is equal to int of input I am taking. So N2 is equal to int of input I am taking two numbers. Sum is equal to initially 0. For each I value in the range of N1 to N2 plus 1, I am taking like this. Okay. Sum is equal to sum plus. So sum function I am taking. Sir, I am taking a list. Integer j for each j value in str of I. So first I is a integer. I is a integer. I converted that integer into string so that we will get individual characters. I am selecting individual character from that. Again, I am converting into integer so that finally what happens? Sir, we got integer value. I performed some of these values and I added to sum. That's all. Finally, you can print the value of sum. Beyond that, nothing. See, because of this list comprehension, how much benefit we are going to get in the Python. Okay. Yes. So this is nothing but what we have. So hope it is very clear for you. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Any doubts about this problem, sir? Please confirm. Okay. Yeah, Prashant. So we have a list. I am converting the given integer into string, so that what will happen? We can extract the characters one by one, and every character I am converting into integer, so that we will get individual digits. So that sum I am calculating. Beyond that, nothing. It is nothing but sum of digits program only. Yes, definitely I will plan a session on that. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Sir, that's all about today's session, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow as usual. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. See you tomorrow.